How to hide specific ads on TikTok. Now, I should say that anybody that tells you that you can block all ads is unfortunately lying to you, but this will let you block specific advertisers. So start out on your profile page. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, scroll down to the Content and Display section. Then, tap on Ads. Under this first section here, tap on the second option, Mute Advertisers. Here you can see all the advertisers you've been exposed to recently. In my case, I've got companies like Coca-Cola, Peacock, and Procter & Gamble. If you no longer want to see ads from these companies, just tap on the toggle next to their name. I'm going to tap on the Coca-Cola one. A box will come up asking if you want to confirm your decision, and notice that the name doesn't always match the one that's listed previously. Anyway, just tap on Hide. There you go. You can see that it's now updated to say that ads are hidden. Note, however, that the ads will only be hidden for 28 days. After 28 days, you'll have to come back and do it again. That's it.